Hey, what's up, guys? Man, I just got home from work. It's been a busy week. Take these glasses. No, I'm leaving glasses on. I can't see without them. Anyway, today we got a box of Past and Present 2011-12. I'm going to try to do it live. See how that works out. If it's too long, I'll just do a recap. And tell you what, man, work is driving me nuts. So freaking tired. Using my computer this time with my webcam, I'm not sure it's going to make a lot of difference. I know my last one was really choppy. So anyway, we got 20 packs. I think there's 3 autos and 1 game used. Usually a lot of redemptions. But I'm mainly into this stuff for the inserts, really cool insert sets, like changing times, right here. Pretty cool inserts. So, and I'm building I've almost got the base set built, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully this video won't run too long. And another change in times, Bob Cousy. It's pretty cool. The cards, man, it's kind of a cool set, but the hits really ain't worth nothing. I mean, there's no value to them. They're all, most of them are sticker autos, and yeah, I've never had that big pull yet. Ironically, what you call it, there's a breakout of Derrick Rose. Anyway, the variations, there's 1 per box. Those are usually worth more than the hits are, so. But there are a lot of redemptions. I've been getting at least 1 per box. That's okay. I mean, they're still filling them. I know they're all expired. Here's a breakout. Brandon Jennings. Alright. Got another box of 2013 Strata coming in. Here's the Bread for Health, Chase Budinger, Rockets. Each pack's got an insert or something, so that's cool. Oh, we'll get that one more of that. Alright. First hit. Alright. Not too bad. Not bad. Larry Nance. Oh, you can see out of that light. Anyway, Larry Nance, sticker auto, of course, along with Chris Humphreys, Bread for Health. Alright, I dropped a pack. Alright, let's see if I can get this open now. Alright, Jeremy Lin Fireworks. It's pretty cool insert. was hoping to have a short video, but we're already at 5 minutes. Alright, I got Tree Rollins, Bread for Life. Ronnie Brewer, Bread for Energy. Still have not seen the variation card yet. Alright, we got a mellow raining threes. As you can see, there's a lot of different inserts. Alright. There's another Changing Times, Mel Daniels. Should have 2 more autos, 1 game used, and the variation card. Alright. This auto is Luke Longley, sticker auto. I don't know why that light's so bright. Anyway, Luke Longley. Bulls. And we got a Tyreek Evans, Bread for Energy. Alright. Got a LeBron Changing Times, which is pretty cool. Let's see, I think we got like 8 packs left at 8 minutes, so I don't know if we're going to make it up. Alright, we got a Gordon Hayward breakout. I'm pretty sure the other auto is going to be a redemption. They never can give me all 3. Alright. Eric Bledsoe breakout. Alright, this is the thick one. First we got our newly crowned MVP, KD, raining threes. And Charles Oakley, game used card. Not bad. Pulled his auto in the last box, so we'll put those 2 together. Man, I still haven't found a variation yet. Alright. We got a Bread for Health, Rudy Gay. Alright, just 4 more packs, y'all. Alright. No redemption this time. We got a Marlon Wally from the Mavs. Sticker auto. Done several boxes of stuff. It's the first time I haven't had a redemption. AI rated threes. Alright. Still haven't seen my variation card. Unless I just missed it. And that's possible. Fireworks, Monte Ellis. Guess I could turn it around that way. Monte Ellis. Right. 2 more packs. And we're 11.5 minutes, so alright, we got a Bob McAdoo, Bread for Life. KG, Bread for Energy. Oh man, last pack. Jason Terry, Bread for Energy. And I must have just missed the variation card. So that's it, guys. Let me recap the hits real quick. The game used is Charles Oakley jersey. Yeah. Marlon Wiley, Mavs. Luke Longley, Bulls. I guess the hit of the box is Larry Nance right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.